My name is Colleen Flanagan Pritz, and I'm an ecologist for the National Park Service. So fortunate for me, I get to spend a lot of time outside in the national parks. My specific work falls in line with better understanding how contaminants or pollutants affect national parks and their resources. So resources like wildlife, birds, and fish and dragonflies. So I do spend a fair amount of time when I am in the national parks sampling lakes, streams, creeks, and otherwise for dragonflies. It's important to understand the levels of contaminants in parks because the parks were preserved to remain unimpaired for future generations. So that basically means like, how can we keep them clean over time for like our kids too, to go out and explore and enjoy. Like we want to see the same types of animals that are living there now, like in decades from now. So with that in mind, we track the health of the ecosystem. So it's essentially like the pulse of our environment. So better understanding, is it healthy? Is it unhealthy? So knowing if, there's something that can be done about those pollutants, who we need to be talking with, like what stakeholders are involved, and how we can keep our environment clean over time. We spent a lot of time in the woods or along the lakes. So that was sort of just what we did growing up. Every weekend we'd go up to Door County in Wisconsin and we'd be with family and friends. And I think it's the interconnectedness between the different spheres of our world. So from the water to the rocks to the air, and how each of those are entangled. It's like we pull on one string and it connects to another. So it's like the web of life, and it's really fascinating. And I think the best part of my job is that I get to travel to national parks for my work. So I get to go to the gems of America and experience these really unique environments like, old growth bottomland forest to, the waterfalls of Yosemite to, the mountains of the Intermountain West. So it's a really fascinating way to experience different types of landforms across the U.S.
Want to learn more about our national parks? Then hit that subscribe button, friend. Stay up to date and catch bonus features by following us on Instagram @OutSCIder.